Hi, I'm Dave Kurlan. Let me explain SOB quality. In baseball, historically, the greatest base stealers in history accomplished something that nobody else could accomplish once they reached first base. Everybody in the stadium knew that they were about to steal second. The opposing team knew, their teammates knew, the fans knew. It was just a question of which pitch would they run on, and based on their statistics, they would succeed on that same pitch. So once that base runner, that speedy base runner, reached base, the pitcher would now do some things to keep that runner close. He would start throwing over to first base to hold the runner closer, to take a step away, perhaps to catch him leaning the wrong way, to pick him off, to tire him out, to shorten the distance between first and second base. But at some point, the pitcher would have to pitch to the hitter. Now, the hitter had an advantage because the first baseman was holding the speedster on first base. The second baseman is shading toward the base to take a throw for a stolen base attempt. So there's a hole, a gap between first and second base. So a batter with great bat control can punch the ball through that hole. Second, the pitcher will only throw a fastball with a speedster on base because it's the only pitch that reaches home plate quickly enough to give the catcher a chance to throw the runner out. So at some point, the pitcher faces the hitter, pitches to the hitter, the base stealer takes off, runs, and is successful. What that great base stealer has actually done is he has gotten the pitcher to pay more attention to him than to the hitter. And that lack of focus, in the end, causes the base stealer to either successfully steal second and on a throwing error move to third, or allow the hitter to punch a ball through the infield, and that runner can sometimes score all the way from first base. When we make the translation from baseball to sales, a salesperson has developed SOB quality when they have successfully gotten the prospect to pay more attention to the salesperson than to the competitor. And they do that by asking more questions than the competition, better questions than the competition, tougher questions than the competition, to have the kind of discussion a prospect has never had with a salesperson before. And through that process, they develop a better relationship, trust, credibility, expertise. They show they care, they show they're listening, and through all that, the salesperson has developed SOB quality.